What's up, guys? How you doing? And welcome back to the channel. So today I've got this flashlight in front of me. It's not a knife, it's a flashlight, but we are Shiro Blades and EDC over here. So occasionally I will do something different. Reason I got this guy is because I saw it on Amazon. It's made by Hausbell, by the way. $29.99 with a $10 off coupon, so 20 bucks. And it's got, supposedly it's got 1800 lumens, uh, UV, laser, freaking sidebar light, LED strip, pretty much all the things you find in a high-end, EDC carry flashlight, but for 20 bucks. So I think no matter what, as long as the damn thing turns on and I can cycle through the functions, I'm not going to be mad because 20 bucks is not a lot of money for a flashlight with that kind of stuff. So let's open it up real quick. What do we got? Got a piece of paper. Okay, let's look at the side first. There's your little diagram of all the things. If you want to pause it and take a look, go for it. Then we got lighting instructions. So each time you click, it'll bring a different mode. So cool white, cool warm mix, and strobe mode per click. Double click will bring the UV. Long press is going to bring the sidebar on, and it's got the same kind of thing: cool white, and cool warm. It's got a little wheel on there for you to dim everything and brighten it up. Pretty cool. That's actually a nice feature. What else we got? Auxiliary switch is going to bring one click will bring red laser. 2 is going to bring the flashing red mood light, or I guess it'll be like an emergency light. And long press will cycle through, give you a little light show. Magnetic base, carrying clip, USB Type-C. So yeah, a lot of good stuff on there. So let's check it out real quick. Get out of this box if I can. There we go. So let's look around it real quick. So first you got, I think that's, 2 LEDs on the outside. And then you got your, probably your UV in the middle. So one will be the white, one will be soft, and then UV. Got your little wheel here and your main switch. It's pretty clicky. Kind of feels a little cheap. All around, it feels a little cheaper than a high-end flashlight, but that's, come on, it's 20 bucks. LED strip here, magnet. Then you got your little sidebar light, and I think that's where your laser is going to come out of. USB charging. Yeah, pretty freaking sweet so far. For like I said, it's actually pretty light, so I'm figuring the battery is pretty much going to be a smaller battery. I'll see how long it lasts. I'll report back later on. But let's turn this light off and check it out. So first click, that's going to be your main light. Pretty bright, and I think it's all the way up. I'm not going to say it's 1800 lumens, and there's no turbo mode, so yeah. Turn it all the way down, gets pretty dim. Not very smooth with the upticks. It's like every 2 clicks on the wheel brings up the light a little bit. But like I said, I'm not going to complain. All right, so give it one more click. There's your soft white. There's your mix. And it's all the way at highest brightness. So yeah, I'm not thinking it's 1800 lumens. Maybe more about 800 to 1000, if that. But it's pretty bright for what you need it for. So I'm like, it's not bad, not bad. And one more. Okay, one more. One more time go through. Okay, there goes your strobe. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yeah, it seems to work pretty good. Let's do a long press to get this sidebar on. Sidebar light, does this dim too? Yeah, it does. I think, yeah. So it's very dim to barely seeable. Now it's pretty dim. It's just a sidebar, like little lamp. Same thing with your amber light there. I just turned something else on. Hold on. Anyway. Turn that off. Okay, sorry. Turn on the laser by accident. But yep, same thing. And then there's your mix right there. All the way up, all the way down. And I'll show you guys the bar. It's not too bright. But yeah, if you just want to sit on your table or use it for a little, work light, it should work pretty good. Yeah, not bad at all. Pretty impressed so far, actually. All right, so that's it for the main switch, I think. No, UV. Sorry, let's do the UV. There it is. Got the UV light. Is that adjustable? Oh, junk, it is. So UV is also adjustable, and it's true UV because that sticker is reacting hard, if you guys can see that. So that's a real UV. It's not like a fake purple light, so they got that going good. Nice. And long press we already did. Cool. So far it works pretty good. Like I said, it's probably not 1800 lumens, but that's forgivable. So far everything else is working great. So there's a little laser pointer. Shiro, I'm burning them. All right, that works fine. Double click. There's your mood light, kind of like a little distress thing. And there, by the way, that's your battery right there. So, okay, so Okay, so long press is going to give you, there's your light show. Yeah, so you got a little LED light show. That's kind of sick. How many colors is there? Dude, that's pretty cool. So, not bad. Not bad at all. I kind of like it. And like I said, it's smaller than this light I did before, so it's smaller and lighter than this light. More actually has more functions. Does feel cheaper, but dude, for 20 bucks, you really can't go wrong with this. But I'm done with this for now. Thank you guys for watching, and I recommend picking one up if you want a cheap ass light that has a lot of stuff. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Thank you to all my veteran brothers and sisters out there, and all my active duty guys and girls. Stay safe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.